How to fix Reddit lag. If Reddit is lagging and you don't know how to fix it, then don't worry. Here are the most effective ways to fix it. Number one step is to check internet connection. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi or internet or mobile data connection. Try switching networks to Wi-Fi to mobile data. Run a speed test to check for latency or slow speeds. Next is simply restart the app. Fully close the app just like this and open the app once again, and this might help you stop lagging on this app. Next step is to update the app. Go to the App Store and open the Reddit app just like this. Then simply, if there is the update version, tap on to update. This app regularly pushes performance updates to reduce lag. And the final step is to reinstall the app. Simply remove this app just like this and tap on to remove app, and after removing it, simply reinstall it back. And that's it. This is how you can simply fix the Reddit lag. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.